so here's this fan, and the blade has to be taped on. It is a junk fan. Let me show you. And look at this fan. It doesn't even have to have a blade taped on it. So yeah, here's me time lapse of placing it back on, and yeah, it is stable. Like watch this, watch this. It's stable. It's not wobbly like the other one or anything. It is stable. I built a little tent over it, and I'm gonna do a wobble test with it. So yeah, first is 2 blades. Yeah, it doesn't wobble at all. Seriously, it's perfect. And 2 blades, a different way. It wobbles quite much, but like it wobbles like how it wobbled on the other fan with no blades. So like that's a minute. And 1 blade. Boy, that is going crazy already. Like, I could seriously play music to it and that would match it. Now, okay, I put cards on here and look. Boy, is that faster than you can say? The card fell off and it's stable. Stable. How? Like, seriously, tell me. How's it stable? Look, 1 blade on. 1 tiny card. Boom, doesn't wobble at all. That's how. Now, all I'm telling you is buy this fan instead of that junky fan.